Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then this list of app and for you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. As you see here, we'll enter to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite and you can click uninstall. Then you can wait a moment to uninstall again your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.